Good morning, good people. You are watching Ezra Ondara TV. My name is Ezra Ondara. It is a chilly day in Nakuru today. Okay, but still we move. Now, in this video, I want to present an upcoming gated community in Lanet in Nakuru, of course. Now, just to let you know, we do real estate content on this channel. We do house hunting. We do Nakuru Beyond the City series. You know, those are vlogs. And of course, we promote business in Nakuru. And last but not least, we do videography services. Okay, those ones, I mean, anywhere around Kenya, you have an event, anything that needs videography, you can always call us. Now, I am excited to present this upcoming gated community precisely in Kiamunyeki in Lanet, the city of Nakuru. Precisely from town to that location is 12 km. Okay, so I'll be taking you there in one of these fine days so that you can see the progress there. But in this video, I just want to present the vision of this gated community known as Upac Villas. Yes, so we have the animation video of that establishment. Just have a look at that. It is the vision of the developer, and then we'll discuss more after that, after watching that short animation. So without further ado, let's go. Very well. So after watching that video, what do you think? Isn't that a premier gated community? Now, let's talk more details. Now, I already said that the establishment Upac Villas is under construction in Kiamunyeki in Lanet, Nakuru. It features 16 mansions of 4 bedrooms, all ensuite, plus a DSQ for each mansion, of course. Now, each home sits on a 50 by 100 plot, call it an eighth of an acre parcel of land, all right? And of course, each parcel has got an individual title deed. So upon purchasing, you know, you're purchasing the home, including the parcel of land, yeah? Now, I wrote down some of the features here. I can't cram everything, so I'm just going to go through each one by one. So now we have spacious living room and dining area. So let me maybe tell you that the home, the plinth area is 380 square meters. You know, that is the plinth area for each home. 380 square meters of space. That is massive, isn't it? All right. Yep. I've seen apartments for sale for 95 square meters, 105 square meters, you know, in Nairobi, you know, 2 bedrooms apartments for sale. So this one at 380, you can imagine the size of home you have there. Now, before I speak about the design, let me speak about some of the features here. So I've said we have a spacious lounge and dining area, modern kitchen with a pantry, okay, master ensuite bedrooms with walk-in closet, modern, you know, separate DSQ for flexibility and convenience. Important to have that DSQ. Some people use it you know, as the house for their worker, you know, for their staff. Others use it for the boys, you know, who have come of age, you know. So you'll decide how to use your DSQ. The developer's job is to ensure that you have that good space. Okay, secure gated community with perimeter wall. You have seen even from the animation, at least. Designated outdoor space, children playground. Very important. This is one of the commonly asked questions regarding many gated communities in Nakuru. You know, Ezra, where is the kids playground? You know, or even where is a playground of sort? Where is a common area? At Upac Villas, they have that space. A common area plus a playground for children. This is a premier gated community, like I've said, and I'll keep repeating that. Okay. Now, unlimited borehole water supply. It is right there. Okay. When I start going through the animation, I'll show you where the borehole is. It is driveways. Yeah, Lanet itself is serene. You know, the environment in Lanet, the atmosphere in Lanet, fresh air all through. So that's just the beauty of Lanet. Indeed, it is in a serene neighborhood, no doubt. So we'll start taking people there every Saturdays. We are organizing that. We'll be having site visits every Saturday, at least to take folks to ground to go and see what we are doing there. All right. And then I'm conveniently located 1.8 km from Lanet Primary School. Okay, so when I was doing this, you know, it was earlier before we discovered a better road of going to the place, okay, which is even shorter, and it is tarmacked, except for about 500 meters, you know, to the establishment. All the way it is tarmac. We arrive at, we exit at free area, you know, from Nakuru CBD to free area, we exit. We go that direction of Radiance Academy, behind there at Lanet. We go straight, and then I'll take you there, pole pole too, but it is tarmac all the way right there, except for 500 meters right to Upac Villas. Stay tuned. Right. And then, of course, remember Lanet, you know, even the proposed Nakuru City International Airport, it is just next door there. And yeah, and then we wrote show house construction ongoing. Now, we not only have the show house, all right, as I'm speaking, we are doing 2 homes. Okay, so we were doing the show house with the goal that soon by the way we are going to have an open day. With the goal that on the open day we can use the show house at least for people to see, and then people can start booking the units with a 20% deposit only, and then we commence there. You know, we commence construction of their home. But as we are speaking, 2 homes are under construction. The show house, which is gone, and now this other one, the second one we started, that one we got somebody to invest. You know, they made that 20% commitment. So we have 2 homes ongoing on the ground. I will take you there very soon. We'll have an open day, and then of course I'll be taking you there like each week just to show you the progress of the establishment. All right, now let's talk about the animation. Of course, it has been done by my good friends, concept builders. You know, they are architects and yeah, developers as well. You know, they design and build, you know, should you wish. So they did that animation. I mean, they brought the vision of the developer to, I mean, exactly what they were looking for. You know, I mean, when the developer saw this, they were just wowed. My recommendation, of course, so that is the driveway, you know, you're looking at. You know, that's how things are going to be. The driveway there with trees along on each side of the driveway, as well as flowers, you know, nicely done lawns. You know, like that is the vision. And then for each home, this is just a sample home with an attic roof there. You can see things. Look at the facade, that balcony on level 1 there. You know, that is the master bedroom. So they have that balcony with a pergola. And on the side as well, you can see how they have done the windows there. You know, they will be well-lit rooms, you know, like each of them. So even the paintwork, the color scheme, I think it's great. You know, we are going with that color scheme. Now, I love that corner window, you know, the one on the front here, on the front there, this one coming on your screen, that front window. That corner window, that is, I love it. Look at that. I mean, from top to bottom, beautiful. I mean, you can see all the way to the interior, except when it is complete. Of course, somebody will have their curtains there. Well and good. The facade again with a pergola up there looking nice. Parking for 2, you know, parking for 2 cars or even 3, you know, yeah, even 3 cars. You can see on the side there as well, we have left some green spaces for each home. You know, which important to leave those green spaces for each home. The animation is over, so I'll have to start again. Maybe I've missed some things. Concept builders, their number is right there on the screen. If you need animation like those, if you need a design for your home, you can always reach them out. So let's just start again. Maybe there's things that I've missed, but yeah, like one more time. Exactly, so we have that grand entrance. You know, we'll have security checks at that grand entrance. Look at that gate. It's a grand entrance with an entry point and an exit point. Different. You know, again, the driveway with trees like that. We are going to bring out this establishment to look exactly like this. You know, like this is the vision. Okay, that is the vision. I see street lights there on the driveway as well. Parking, like I told you, for 3 cars. You know, for now in the animation they just did 1, but there's enough space to do 3 cars. All right, so okay, there will be, you know, perimeter walls between, you know, each mansion. But okay, not high ones, you know, just some, I mean, kind of low. You know, we want to have this kind of openness, like a bit of openness in a way. So they are kind of low there. And of course, with electric fence on top of each. All right, the roofing there, we have talked about it. The finishes, the tile work, I hope we go with those ones. You know, I mean, okay, those are things that will come later on during finishing. So we'll make some good choices, don't worry. If I'm involved, I mean, the way I'm involved in this project, I'm telling you, I'm not going to allow them to do some shoddy tiles. So we'll choose good finishes. Exactly. So up to that point, 4 bedrooms, all ensuite, mega mansions with a DSQ. I've talked about that. They are priced at 14.9 million Kenya shillings. Okay, that is what we are asking for each mansion, 14.9 million Kenya shillings. But you don't have to offer the entire amount as once, kitita cha pesa, not necessarily. We are asking for interested customers to deposit just 20%, and we start building their homes. 20% of 14.9 million, and then your home starts. You know, we have people on site. I'll take you to site. You know, we also want you to see the site. Yeah, so I'll take you to site, and I'll be taking you even more and more as you see the progress. So come with me on this journey as we bring Upac Villas into reality. Name is Ezra Ondara, content creator based in the city of Nakuru. We do real estate content, house hunting, vlogs around Nakuru, Nakuru beyond the city. We promote business in Nakuru, and we offer videography services. You can reach to us on 0791 055678. for business, right? Or even to tip us. Sometimes we appreciate those tips. Thank you. See you in the next one. Definitely more to come from Upac Villas, Lanet.